We've been receiving reports of some Galaxy S10 devices having Instagram problems after installing Android latest update, with millions of Samsung Galaxy S10 owners that are also active Instagram users. This is an issue that we can't ignore, so we decided to come up with this video. We hope that this will serve as a helpful reference for you. First, check for errors or online solutions. Facebook, which is the owner company of Instagram, has a lot to lose if Instagram, which is used by billions of people every day, fails even for a few minutes. If the app crashes and shows an error code or message, though, that can be key to fixing your problem fast. Errors are part of a good working software, and they are usually critical in pointing out where the problem is coming from. If there's an error, you want to take note of it and then do a quick Google search about it. Next, reboot Instagram app. Whenever you have an app issue, it's always a good idea to force quit or reboot it. This is one of the effective methods to deal with a malfunctioning app. Next, clear Instagram cache and data. If rebooting Instagram won't help and it's still crashing afterwards, the next troubleshooting step that you can do is to clear its cache. This usually helps if the cause of the problem is a corrupted app cache. You can also return Instagram app settings to defaults as part of your app troubleshooting. You should only do this if nothing has worked so far. This is going to log you out of your account, so you'll have to log back in after clearing the app's data. Next, reinstall Instagram. If you installed Instagram yourself, this means that it did not come with the original set of apps on your phone. You can skip clearing data and instead just reinstall the app. This is a more effective way to eliminate app bugs than clearing the app's data. Just delete the app and install it afterwards. Next, make sure all apps are updated. If you continue to have Instagram problems on your S10 after the latest Android update, the next good troubleshooting step that you can do is check if one of the apps is causing a problem. First, you want to make sure that all your apps are fully updated. You can do this by going to your Play Store app. Next, observe device on safe mode and check for broken app. If your Galaxy S10 continues to have Instagram problems after the latest Android update, the other possible reason that you want to check is presence of bad third-party app. Not all apps are built with the same skill and resources, so some may suddenly start acting up if the developer did not prepare it for a new Android version. To check if there's a bad third-party app in your device, you must run your S10 to safe mode. In this mode, all third-party apps are blocked, grayed out, so they can't run if Instagram runs normally and won't crash on safe mode. That means that you have a bad app at hand. Next, refresh system cache. Android updates can sometimes impact the system cache. This cache is an important set of temporary files used by Android when loading up apps. If this cache gets corrupted, though, it may lead to all sorts of problems. Next, factory reset your device. You should consider doing a factory reset if your Instagram problem will remain at this time. Instagram problems usually go away on their own as major problems are fixed by updates. However, if you notice that you also have a similar crashing problem with other apps, the cause of the problem might be software related, which factory reset might definitely fix. If you want to go ahead with factory reset, be sure to back your personal data such as documents, images, videos, contacts, and others. That's it. We hope this video is helpful to you. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.